As you know, being overweight can be dangerous to one's health and can also stop you from leading a normal, happier and healthy life. Studies have also shown that being overweight puts you at risk of long-term health problems that could shorten your life, like diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Preventing these serious illnesses is often the main health reason for losing weight. So, in this video we're gonna take a look at the top 8 weight loss tips to lose weight faster. This is based on our personal opinion and tons of research. If you're looking for tips to lose weight faster, then, this YouTube video is for you. Before we delve into it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to support this video. These tips are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 1. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Eating a high-protein breakfast could help reduce cravings and calorie intake throughout the day. According to a study in women, increasing protein intake from 15 to 30% of total calories helped them eat 441 fewer calories per day. They also lost 11 pounds, 5 kilograms, in just 12 weeks. Another study found that increasing protein to 25% of total calories reduced late-night snacking by half and obsessive thoughts about food by 60%. Bottom line: adding protein to your diet is a very effective way to lose weight. It may also help dieters sustain long-term weight loss. Number 2. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juice. You may have heard this plenty of times, and it will be wise for you to do so. In case you don't know, empty calories from sugar aren't useful to your body and can hinder weight loss. Number 3. Drink water before meals. According to a study, drinking water before meals helped reduce calorie intake and may be effective in weight management. Number 4. Choose weight loss-friendly foods. Some foods are better for weight loss than others. Here is a list of healthy weight loss-friendly foods. Leafy greens like kale, spinach, collards, Swiss chards. Salmon. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage and Brussels sprouts. Tuna. Beans and legumes. Avocados and others. Number 5. Drink coffee or tea. Caffeine consumption can boost your metabolism. Green tea and oolong tea have been shown to increase metabolism by 4 to 5% according to a source. These teas help convert some of the fat stored in your body into free fatty acids, which may increase fat burning by 10 to 17%. As they are low in calories, drinking these teas may be good for both weight loss and weight maintenance. Number 6. Base your diet on whole foods. They're healthier, more filling, and much less likely to cause overeating than processed foods. Number 7. Eat slowly. This may sound funny, but it really works. Eating quickly can lead to weight gain over time, while eating slowly makes you feel more full and boosts weight-reducing hormones. Number 8. Get good quality sleep. Sleep is important for many reasons, and poor sleep is one of the biggest risk factors for weight gain. People with short sleep duration tend to weigh significantly more than those who get adequate sleep. In fact, short sleep duration is one of the strongest risk factors for obesity. To get more all the top videos like this video. Subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.